Hey there, if you've been having trouble with your iPhone photos not showing their location, I totally get how annoying that can be, especially if you like to keep your memories organized or share them with friends. This issue usually pops up because of some settings related to location services or permissions. But don't worry, I've got some easy steps for you to troubleshoot and fix this problem. Solution 1. Enable location services for photos. First, go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security and give it a tap. Now tap on Location Services. Make sure that Location Services is turned on. After that, scroll down and tap on Camera. Finally, set the location access to while using the app. Solution 2. Check location settings in Photos. Open up the Photos app, then select any photo for which you want to check the location. Swipe up on the photo or tap the small information icon at the bottom. If you don't see any location data, it means the camera didn't capture the location when you took the photo. The steps we just covered should help with the future photos. In that case, you can add the location by tapping Adjust. Search for the location you want to add, and then add it here. After this, the location will automatically show up under your photo. Solution 3. Reset location and privacy settings. If the issue still isn't fixed, resetting the location and privacy settings could do the trick. Start by opening Settings again. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then choose Reset Location and Privacy. You'll need to enter your passcode and confirm the reset. After resetting, don't forget to re-enable location access for the camera and Photos apps. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your iPhone photos not showing their location. If you're still having problems, double-check that your iPhone's location services are working correctly, and consider updating your software to the latest version. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this helps you get your photo locations back in order. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy snapping!